Hey whales, good morning. It is April the 29th. Let's recap and go over Tesla for today's trading session. All right, so with that said, with Tesla coming into this week, right, we were expecting more upside here, and we're essentially trying to see if Tesla can continue trekking upwards to finish off a series of threes, fours, and fives, and ultimately put in this wave one in black, and then a larger correction, a larger dip for wave two. And then if that low can hold, if that dip can hold, we're off to new uptrends to closer to $380 per share, and then ultimately 500 plus, this year or next year. So we're seeing whether or not we can continue moving forward. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame as well, all right. So again, working on a wave one in red, two coming down, and then a series of threes, fours, and fives towards the upside. You can see in the green box, this is where we took longs for day trades at 226 as well as 245, and we're taking profits along the way. Now, this area, guys, this is going to be a pretty interesting battleground. And the reason why I say that is because if you take sort of the swing lows up to the swing highs for wave one, then you swing it down to the wave two to project out where the targets are. You can see anywhere between, let me move these labels out the way, anywhere between 285 to 323, guys. This is a danger zone. What I mean by that is this is the take profit zone here, guys, okay? The banks, right, we took longs from here. The institutions took longs from here, and they're essentially starting to sell or trim their positions or actually hedge shorts against these positions that they took. So you got to be careful in going into Tesla too big is sort of what I'm saying, right? We're still calling for more upside, but there could be a surprise where we put in a double correction like this and then start trying to push higher. Okay, so this could be a way forward down here. So you got to be careful, right? These are sort of take profit zones. This is sort of a day trader's territory rather than longing a swing trade. If you're going to swing trade this and you want a larger position, you may want to wait for a potential double correction like this, or you wait for the uptrend to finish and you go in on the ABC dip towards the upside like this. Okay, so you can see again on the 4-hour time frame. You want to go on a C wave, the C wave, or even the A wave if you want to be more aggressive. But these are sort of the dips for swing trades, right? If you're a swing trader, you want to go into. Right now, this area, it's getting pretty tight, right? This is the take profit zone. So again, only day trades on the 1-minute time frames to 5-minute time frames, in my opinion. Okay, you shouldn't be longing too heavily at that level. Okay, until you get some more clarity. So for us, right, if you're a day trader, again, you can try to long a potential 1-minute dip here, okay, against the low right here, right? So you're trying to catch that dip against that low, or you wait for the double correction potential if it breaks, and then you long on the double to go higher. Right, so that's sort of what I'm thinking. In terms of shorting, you can, however, it's a counter trend. Short, right? If you're shorting, it's going against the trend. So essentially, you want to do a lesser risk, in my opinion. Until then, you can keep going with the trend on the 1-minute time frames and see if you can keep pushing price higher. Ultimately, right, that 318 to 320 level around this is sort of the main larger target. So yeah, let's see if we can keep pushing higher here. And look out for the double. Okay, look out for double. And yeah, talk to you guys soon.